Okay, today we're looking at section 5.1, which deals with polynomials. Okay, when you're talking about polynomials, there are three types of polynomials that we classify and give special names to. Monomials, which means one term, binomials, which means two terms, and trinomials that mean three terms. When you're looking at a polynomial, the coefficient is the number in front of each term. The degree is the highest power. So for A, the coefficient is 2, the degree is 4. For B, the coefficient is the negative 7/4, the degree is 2. On C, there's not a number in front, so if there's not a number there, it's an understood 1. And if there's not an exponent on the variable, it's an understood 1. So my coefficient is negative 1. My degree is 1. For x cubed, my coefficient is 1. My degree is 3. For 8, my coefficient is 0 because technically there's not a variable there. I'm sorry, my coefficient is 8. My degree is 0. Okay, and sorry about that. Okay, for 0, your coefficient is 0, but because it's 0, your degree doesn't exist. There is not one when it's 0. Okay? So how do you know if an expression is a polynomial? It is not a polynomial if you have a fractional exponent, a negative exponent, a variable in the denominator, or under a radical. Otherwise, that expression is a polynomial. So, one of the things you got to be careful of is sometimes a term, excuse me, sometimes a term will have two variables. Now, how do I know this is a single term? There's no plus or minus between those variables. So if there's no plus or minus, it's one term. When it's a single term with two variables, you add the exponents to get the degree. Remember, if there's not an exponent on it, it's an understood 1.